Hi, today we are going to design an organic shaped clay cutter in Blender. We start with deleting those two objects here. Then we go to the scene properties. When click unit scale, change it to 0.001 and change the length from meters to millimeters. Okay, then we click Z, it is a top view. Then we click Shift and A and we choose grease pencil from the menu and we choose blank. Then we go to draw mode here. Okay, we change the radius to 0.4 millimeters. And there are some advanced options here. It's advanced and stroke. So let's go to advanced, change active smooth to the max. Let's go here to stroke, click stabilize stroke as well. Then you can draw your shape. Let's make it maybe like this. We go to object mode, right click of the mouse on your shape, and you convert it to mesh. As you can see, the lines are not joined perfectly together, so we have to fix it. We go to edit mode and we click on this one. We click X as for delete and we delete the vertices. This one as well. Okay, now when we delete it, we have to click on this one, and by holding shift we click this one as well and we click F on our keyboard. Then we can mark some of them, maybe this selection here, we mark it, we click vertex and smooth vertices, maybe once more smooth vertices again, perfect. Then we can zoom out, we can click A, vertex, smooth vertices again, and here you can see there is this menu that you can adjust the level of smoothness. Okay, it looks good, perfect. Then we go to object mode again, and we click Ctrl plus A, and we click scale. It's very important to do it. Then we click N, and you have this panel here for transformation and dimensions. So we can change the dimensions of our cutter. Here are the dimensions. You can click S, and with scale, you can make it bigger or smaller. Let's see, 25 millimeters is quite good. Thanks for watching so far. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. All right, then again, we click Ctrl A and scale. We go to the edit mode. You mark all of the shapes. So just click A, then you click F, and then you click I. Okay, and when you click I on the keyboard, just make the shape smaller with your mouse and click whenever, then go here to this panel and change thickness to 1.6 millimeters. Then come back here, don't click anything, just click I on the keyboard again, make another one, make thickness 0.6, and again come here, click I on keyboard, and 0.4 millimeters. Perfect. This is our shape with our offsets. One is for blade. We go to object mode, and we will use Shift plus D for copying the shape. Okay, you can see it's here, so you can change it, change the name to, let's say, 0.4 as a name. Again, come here, Shift and D again, another copy, 0.6, and again, click here, Shift plus D, and we will name it outer, for instance. Perfect. Okay, so now we have three shapes here. You can hide all of them, just leave the outer for now, okay? We go to the edit mode, and now what we have to do is we have to get rid of the rest of the unnecessary stuff here, because now we will leave just the outer line, the rest will be deleted. So now you click Alt and this edge here, and holding Shift, you click another one here, so the smaller one, and then you click X for delete, and you click Faces. Then you click this one, the big one here, and also X, delete Faces. So now we are left with this outer shape here. The rest is deleted, so it's okay. So then you come here, you hide it, and let's make 0.6 visible. Okay, we click on the object mode, maybe again, we click it. So we have to activate it, click, and then we go to edit mode and we repeat it, but we will leave this one now. So we use Alt, we click here, holding Shift, click here, X, delete faces, click here, X, delete faces. Very good. And we hide it. We go to 0.4, we'll do it again. So you have to maybe come back to object mode, click it, go back to edit again, and holding Alt, we click here, with Shift, holding Shift as well, we click here, X, delete faces, click here, X, delete faces. Perfect. Now, when we are in edit mode, we click A, then we click E for extrude, and we extrude it. Here, let's make it 14 millimeters. This is our blade. We hide it. Let's go now to 0.6. Again, in edit mode, we have to click A. Maybe we'll, in object mode, click it. We go back to the edit mode. Yes, we click A and E for extrude, make it 10 millimeters. Perfect. Then we hide it again. Let's go to the outer one. Again, we repeat it. So let's click it. This is it. Let's go to edit mode. Click A. Then E for extrude. Let's make it 2 millimeters. Then we click 0.4, 0.6 to be visible. And we have the shape. Yeah, it's perfect. This is our shape of our cutter. Before exporting it, we go to object mode. We click outer 0.6, 0.4, right click with the mouse and join. Perfect. It is one shape now. Looks very good. So we'll give it a try in the printer. We export it into STL and you can print it. And that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.